Want to know how to upload longer Instagram videos? Pay attention to this video and we'll show you how to do it. Alright, welcome back everybody. My name is Jordan Steen, aka Serial Entrepreneur, and at this channel we talk all about starting a social media marketing agency or just social media marketing, starting a personal brand, influencer marketing, and anything else you could possibly think of with starting a business online. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner and then the notification bell so you get updates to all of our new content, our free training, and our giveaways. So in June of 2018, Instagram released a platform called IGTV, Instagram Television or TV. And what it essentially allows creators to do is upload longer form videos. So instead of only being able to upload a 15-second story or maybe a 60-second video to your Instagram account, now you can do up to an hour long on your video content if you meet certain qualifications. But everybody already has access to uploading. If you're a creator, you have access to uploading this content on your Instagram account. All you have to do is basically set up your IGTV account, log into the IGTV app, and then you can start recording videos. I believe it's up to 10 or 15 minutes just for the basic user. Oh, and really quickly, guys, if you're looking to grow your Instagram account, just take a look at ours. We've been able to grow to almost 30,000 new followers in just 2 months from using a specific strategy and from using a specific tool known as Wire Charisma. We'll leave a link for you down below so you can check out Wire Charisma and see what we've been using to really grow engagement. Plus, we have this video right up here in the top right hand corner you can click on and we'll teach you a little bit about that process. So essentially, IGTV kind of wants to be in between Snapchat and YouTube. All right, we have both of these platforms and they want to be right in the middle. And how does that kind of work? Well, they have their stories, right? So that's kind of similar to Snapchat, but now they've added IGTV, which is similar to YouTube. It just doesn't have that search functionality or that SEO type style platform that YouTube has, right? So it's kind of in the middle of both, which is really cool for its audiences and for business owners looking or brands looking to monetize on Instagram, because it gives you a little bit of both worlds and the ability to really use both to build a cool marketing campaign. All right, guys, so let's quickly look at how IGTV works. It's not very difficult. You need the IGTV app, which you can see right here on my screen, right? This is my phone screen right here. So if we click on that on my phone, you'll see it actually, well, this is opened up to our IGTV, like my channel. We can go back to the browse and you can see all of these other channels down here at the bottom start showing up, right? So that's pretty cool. But we're just gonna look at this video right here. And this is our test video. We're gonna start implementing our actual strategy here very soon, but for now we just wanted to put out a test video to get some people, you know, looking at it and just seeing what it was about. But essentially you can see it's just a video we shot from our phone. The cool thing is you don't have to, so let me go back really quick and I'll show you guys how this works. So if I go to my channel and I click this plus sign on the middle of the screen right about here, you'll see it's going to bring up some videos we can upload, but look at this little note at the top. Videos from your phone can be between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. Upload longer videos from your computer at Instagram.com. So Instagram has actually uploaded a really cool feature to their web platform now, which they did not used to have, and it really sucked, but it made it difficult to upload things to Instagram. Now they have an upload feature for your IGTV channel right here, right? So I can click this right here and it's going to allow me to upload a much longer video, right? So I can do up to an hour long with my channel, all right? So I can put in a video, put in the description, edit the cover photo, and then I can drop in an hour long 16:9 video right here on my Instagram account. And so what we can start to do is put our YouTube style content here. And that's what we're working on doing right now, is actually shooting our YouTube content where I can fit it to a 16:9 platform and even have some stuff on the top and the bottom of the video. And then we'll upload it to IGTV. So that way we have our content stream going out there as well. So that's coming in the near future. We had this whole website thing we were doing, so we're a little stuck right now on other projects, but this is coming very soon, and we are super excited about using this feature. But, you know, after you get your video, you just pick a video, and then you're just going to, let me turn this volume off on my phone, sorry, okay? And then you can click next. Once you have your video at the top, you'll enter in your title, your description, and we've actually already uploaded this video, so we're not going to do it. And then you can upload it to your Facebook page. You can even make it visible there. You can edit your cover, right? So edit cover. You can choose from cover from this video or upload from camera roll. We're going to choose from this video. And you can see we can select what we want our cover to be, right? We can make it something really, really cool, like a crazy face. Like something like that, right? If I wanted to. So that's just, you know, showing you guys some of the options of using IGTV. It's not difficult, and it is a platform you're going to want to use. Look, it showcases my business right here, right? It says everything about my business right here. It says 27,000 followers, SMMA and passive income, my name, right? And then it says all of the other stuff. So what they can do is if they click it, right? If they click my name, it takes them to my profile where you can see more information about my stuff, right? So IGTV, really cool platform. Uploading everything is not difficult. That's the easy part. Okay, so let's talk about some of the issues surrounding IGTV. Essentially, number one thing that I would like to point out is how the placement is. It's very hard to see up here, you know, kind of by itself, where you have stories super prominent, right? And then there's just this little button that kind of looks like a TV, but it kind of looks like maybe it might be a bug or a guy with like 2 hairs coming out of his head. It's not that prominent, right? So it, you know, this is going to be, you know, something that they're going to have to overcome. Shout out to Samuel Obono getting some coverage here. I'm sure he's going to appreciate that. Anyway, so you can see right there that little icon doesn't do that great. There's also no search function. So YouTube has a powerful search engine tool for you to find content that you're looking for. IGTV is kind of different. You have to be following a specific person or brand already and be actively looking for that content. Their search platform just isn't that great. Also, they have a payment platform. Like YouTube pays its creators. Instagram doesn't pay its creators. So that's another thing. Uploading vertical videos like this is complicated because you only have so much width, right? You have to fit everything in this narrow little visual, right? So it's a little different than doing something on YouTube where you can fit a lot more into the screen. You can fit a lot more vertically, but as far as horizontally, it doesn't really make sense, right? And the last one is you can only upload a video longer than 10 minutes if you're a brand or if you have a verified account. So if you don't have one of those, or if your account doesn't meet certain standards with Instagram, you're only going to be able to upload videos to 10 minutes anyway. So there are some hurdles that Instagram has to overcome, but it doesn't mean that they can't overcome those hurdles. So let's talk about some really cool things that you can actually do with your IGTV channel, some cool content ideas. This is actually something that we're about to implement into our IGTV channel. So these are some really cool ideas you can potentially look at for yourself. So one of the first ones we're looking at is the video greeting and introduction. We already kind of have that video up there. We're going to do a better one, but you know, just giving someone an introduction to who you are, what your business does. That is a perfect IGTV type of video, right? Number two is some product how-tos or tutorials, some product demos. Those are going to be great for IGTV because again, it's all about your brand, right? So give them some information. Number three is hosting a recurring segment, like actually have like almost like a podcast on your Instagram account, right? You can easily set that up and it's something that people can tune into every single week. Don't just make it like a story type of feel because that's not what IGTV is. It needs to be more content driven, more entertainment driven, right? Stories are more about those short moments where IGTV is going to be more about long form content creation. So if you're not familiar with long form content creation, check that out. You can do IGTV exclusives. So something that you only publish to IGTV that gets people to follow IGTV and get involved with your channel there. If you do those kinds of, you can apply that strategy really to any type of social platform. If you're trying to get people onto a platform, you do that. You upload exclusive content only on that channel that they'll only get there. So that way you get engagement on those channels. And you can do that for each channel that you run. So that's pretty cool, right? The last thing that you can do is host educational webinars and give away information and links and, you know, places for people to go visit or check out your products or services or get in touch with you and ask you questions. All of these are really, really cool ideas for IGTV. All you got to do is get started. So in conclusion, IGTV is pretty sweet. You're going to love it, but you need to figure out how you're actually going to develop your content strategy around IGTV. That's why I wanted to show you how easy it was to set up and create these videos and get everything, you know, get the ball rolling for your IGTV channel. Think of the content ideas that I told you about. Remember the things that I said are going to be hurdles for Instagram to overcome, and you'll have a baller channel. Like, it's not difficult to create these kinds of things, and there's not a ton of competition. So get in before all of the competition has finally set into Instagram, and and you can have a killer channel. So thank you guys for stopping by and watching. If you are new to this channel, you need to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get all the updates to all of the content, free training, free resources, and free giveaways that we do here at Serial Entrepreneur Academy for all of you social media marketers, entrepreneurs, personal brand builders, etc. But you guys get what I'm saying, and I hope to see you on the next video. Make sure that you leave a like down below, or a thumbs up rather, and then a comment if you have any questions about IGTV. We'll make sure to get back to you as soon as we possibly can. But I'm gonna get out of here for now, and I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, Serial Entrepreneur out. Later. Ready to start living the six-figure, work wherever, be your own boss lifestyle? Well, at Serial Entrepreneur Academy, we'll teach you how to use a laptop and internet to start your own social media and digital marketing agency. Get started with our free Facebook ads training. Links in the description below, guys. See you in the course. Serial Entrepreneur out.